Hello, it's Teresa in the Teen Department at Pulaski County Public Library. Today we're going to look at Star Wars tinfoil portraits made with aluminum foil. So this is my Darth Vader for the tinfoil. And all you do is you're going to need some glue, a glue stick, some scissors, a marker, some yarn, and of course tinfoil. And what I did was I took a picture, this is Yoda, and I used the glue stick and put it on cardstock. Now you can use any color cardstock because your tinfoil is going to cover that anyway. So I put that on there. And then I took regular glue, and you're going to outline your picture. And then you're going to put your eyes, eyebrows, and like that on there. And then you're going to take your yarn, and you're going to cut it. You're going to line it onto the glue on the picture. So you're going to line it on there, let that dry a few minutes for the yarn to set, and then you're going to take your tinfoil and you'll take a piece out enough to cover your picture with a little bit left over maybe, because you're going to then kind of crumple it up a little. That makes it more pliable. I tried doing it without crumpling it up, and it puts a hole through it, so when you're trying to do it. So then you're going to stretch it back out. You're going to put it over your picture and press it down, and it's going to show you the imprint because the yarn and the glue have got the raised part on here. Then once you get that down there and you can see your imprint, then what you're going to do, you're going to take your marker, and I took just the flat part end, because then you're going to fill in those places that you're going to indent the picture. So you're going to fill in the places. So like for Darth Vader, like I filled in here and around here and all these places. The rest of these that you see raised up, that's the yarn that I glued to the picture. So when you do that, it's going to show up on there. And then you take your marker and you fill in your picture color. Of course, for Yoda, it'd be green. So that's how you do that. Very simple. Doesn't take very long. And it's really cute. It's really neat to be able to do that. So there it is. Star Wars tinfoil portrait.